If mathematics graduates are so intelligent, why do many of them fail in interviews? This is a serious question, because the problem is not intelligence. The problem is positioning. Today, I will explain why mathematics graduates struggle in interviews and how you can fix it immediately. First mistake. They sound too theoretical. When asked, "Tell me about yourself," they start talking about abstract algebra, topology, or measure theory. But interviewers are not testing your syllabus, they are testing your relevance. Industry wants problem solvers, not subject historians. Second mistake, they cannot explain practical application. If you studied linear algebra, can you explain how it is used in machine learning? If you studied probability, can you explain how it applies to risk analysis? Many graduates know the theory, but cannot translate it into real-world value, and that creates doubt. Third mistake, no portfolio. In 2026, degrees alone are not enough. If you apply for data science, AI roles, analytics, quantitative positions, you must show proof of work. Projects. Code, research implementation. Without visible application, employers assume you lack experience. Fourth mistake. Poor communication. Mathematics trains logical thinking, but it does not automatically train communication. If you cannot explain a complex idea simply, the interviewer may think you do not understand it deeply. Clarity equals confidence. Confidence creates trust. Fifth mistake. They underestimate soft skills. Industry values, team collaboration, adaptability, time management, problem-solving mindset. Many mathematics graduates focus only on technical knowledge, but companies hire complete professionals, not just subject experts. Now let us talk about solutions. First, learn to translate theory into application. If you studied optimization, explain it in terms of cost minimization in business. If you studied statistics, explain it using customer data analysis. Practice connecting mathematics to industry. Second, build a visible portfolio. Create small projects. Publish them. Even simple projects show initiative. Initiative impresses interviewers. Third, prepare structured answers for common questions like, "Tell me about yourself." "Why should we hire you?" Describe a project. Prepare concise, industry-focused responses, not academic lectures. Fourth, practice explaining concepts in simple language. If you can explain regression to a non-mathematician, you are interview ready. Finally, shift your mindset. You are not just a mathematics graduate. You are a trained analytical problem solver, but you must present yourself that way. Remember this. Interviews are not exams. They are conversations about value. When you clearly communicate how your mathematical training solves real problems, you stop being just a math student. You become an asset. If this helped you, share it with a mathematics graduate preparing for interviews. Subscribe for more career opportunity stories. The future does not belong to the most intelligent. It belongs to the most adaptable. I am Dr. Nasir Ali, and I will see you in the next episode.